Welcome to my A.K. Karmakar online class, Pirojpur Town High School. I, Arun Krishna Karmakar, Senior Assistant Teacher, Pirojpur Town High School. Today's lesson is especially for the students of class 6, 7 and 8. Because this topic is very related for the class 6, 7 and 8. So it's a class from 6 to 8. Now dear students, it's a very common topic. So today's topic is changing sentence. The changing sentence is for the students of 6 to 12 classes. So today's topic is changing sentence, and now we will attentively listen to my class. So dear students, I will discuss only one topic for changing sentence from affirmative to negative. But dear students, you know it better that changing sentence, many kinds of changing sentences, affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive, active to passive or passive to active. But now I will discuss only affirmative to negative, only affirmative to negative. Okay dear students, my first sentence, only 10 sentences here. My first sentence is only God can help us. Only God can help us. Now when we want to make it negative, now we will use in lieu of only none but, because only is used here for person. So I will change it to none but. Now only God can help us, its negative form is none but God can help us. None but God can help us. Okay dear students. Now question 2. Allah alone can help us. Allah alone can help us. Here only and alone is used here in the same meaning. So now alone will be changed into none but. Okay dear students. So the answer of question number 2, Allah alone can help us, none but Allah can help us. Here none but is used for alone. So when you find alone and if you change from affirmative to negative and you will use in lieu of alone, you will use none but. So none but Allah can help us. Now number question 3. I have only a few toys. I have only a few toys. So dear students and dear learners, here only, here question number 1 here is only and question number 3 here is only. But what's the difference between two only? Here God, I think that it may be the representation of a person, but it may be the person, though it's not a person, but it may be the person. And I have only a few toys. Here toys is things or goods, but only is used here before goods. So only is difference from first only, because only here is for person and only is here for goods. So here only will be changed into nothing but. So question number 3, its negative form will be I have nothing but a few toys. I have nothing but a few toys. There is a question number 4. He is only 50. Here is only, but there are 3 only. What's the difference between 3 only? Yeah, here only 50. Here is a number 50. It's a number. So only is changed into here not more than or not less than. Not more than or not less than. So only will be changed into here not more than. He is not more than 50. He is not more than 50. Okay, dear students, only has been changed here into none but, nothing but, and not more than. Please remember it very attentively. If you remember it very attentively, you will write the right answer in the examination and you will get full marks. Now carefully listen the question number 5. He has to do it. Here has to. And you will remember the next time that have to, has to and must. Have to, has to and must. This word have been changed or will be changed into cannot but or cannot help. Cannot but or cannot help. Here he has to do it. Its negative form will be he cannot but do it. He cannot but do it. You will remember another thing that you can use here in lieu of can't but, can't help. If you use can't help, then the sentence will be he can't help doing it. Can't help plus V plus ing, but can't but plus V1. So you will remember it that can't but, cannot but plus V1 and cannot help plus V plus ing. Okay, dear students. Next, number 6. We must help the poor. We must help the poor. Here is a must. Must will be the changed into cannot but or cannot help. So the negative form of we must help the poor, the negative form of we must help the poor, we can't but help the poor. We cannot but help the poor. Okay, dear students. Next, number 7. As soon as he reached the station, the train left. As soon as will be changed, no sooner had. As soon as will be changed, no sooner had. And when you and where the comma is used, there you will use then. There you will use not then but then. THAN. Sometimes students use mistakenly then. THAN. It is wrong. So you will use then. THAN. Remember it very attentively. No sooner had he reached the station than the train left. So dear students, now the question number 8. He is very attentive. He is very attentive. Here the answer or negative form of he is very attentive. Here you will use in lieu of very at all. When you will go to change from affirmative to negative, in lieu of very you will use at all. At all. So the question number 8, he is very attentive. So the negative form of he is very attentive will be the he is not inattentive at all. You will remember it that when you want to, when you don't want to change the meaning of the sentence, you will use the antonym word of adjective. That means attentive. it's an adjective, and inattentive, it's an adjective, but it's a antonym word. So when you will change from affirmative to negative, sometimes you have to use antonym word. And now question number 9. He had to go there. He had to go there. Dear learners, here the word had to. So when you find had to and you want to change from affirmative to negative, and you will change had to into could not but. Could not but. Now the negative form of he had to go there, he could not but go there. He could not but go there. Okay, dear learners, have to, has to and must change into cannot but, and had to change into could not but, because had to is a past form and could not but is a past form. So it's a very easy way to remember it. So dear learners, the next number, question number 10, I shall always remember you. I shall always remember you. Its negative form will be I shall never forget you. There is another use of antonym word. Remember, its antonym word is forget. Antonym word of remember is forget. So forget is used here to mean the exact meaning of given sentences. So sometimes you will use the antonym word. Okay, dear students, I shall always remember you. So always will be changed into never, and remember will be changed into forget. Okay, dear learners, now this 10 sentence is enough for this class, and you will remember it very attentively. Okay, dear students, now I will discuss it again. When you go to change from affirmative to negative, only will change into none but and nothing but and not more than or not less than, and alone will be changed into none but. None but is for person, nothing but is for goods, and not more than, not less than is for number. And cannot but is used for must, have to, and has to. Besides, you will use cannot help, and when you use cannot help, you will use V plus ing. V plus ing. Okay, dear students, now if you find no sooner, if you find as soon as, you will use no sooner had. As soon as you will use for making negative no sooner had. And sometimes you will use antonym word. Here attentive, its antonym word is inattentive, and remember its antonym word is forget, and always its antonym word is never. Besides, you will remember that when you go to change from affirmative to negative, of course you will know or you will remember the difference between only. Only is for person, and only is for goods, and only is for number. However, if you remember it, you will carry a good marks for changing sentence, only for making negative. So dear students, you will watch it again and again, and you will remember it for your preparation of the examination. And now you will do it at your home very attentively, and stay home, stay safe for coronavirus. Thank you very much. Goodbye.